Hi class, a quick note about APA references page and the citation feature on EbscoHost on the online databases. You might have noticed that when you click on the full text of an article, that there is a citation tab, or I'm sorry, citation icon on the right hand side. And it shows you how to cite that source using the different styles. So here's APA. And a student asked if it's okay to use that citation generator. Yes, it's totally fine, except that you need to double check it's correct. So if I just copy that and then paste it into my Word document, well, first of all, this is not correct. So it needs to be Times New Roman. It needs to be 12 size. It also needs to be double spaced. And then sometimes it's tricky to get that second line to indent. See, if I just click here on the second line, it wants to indent the entire thing. So to get that second line to indent, if you go to the first line, click enter, then it lets you push it in. But then you need to go back and remove that extra space. All right, so now it's formatted correctly as in terms of font size and spacing. The next thing, though, you should double check is that each item looks correct according to your text. So this is an article in a journal. So if I get out the St. Martin's Handbook, if you turn to page 460 in the St. Martin's Handbook, number 23 is how to cite an article in a print journal, and it tells us it's on page 467. So then let's flip to 467, number 23. If you look at the sample or the example in the text, the article title is not capitalized. And here it is. So that's one item that's not correct. So I need to go back and change the capital letters to lowercase letters. So that's a great example of how the citation generator is not always precise. And I think that's true of any citation generator you use. And at this point, I would go through and just look at every other item, all the other items like, okay, journal title, volume and issue number, page number, the DOI. So it's totally fine to copy and paste. That way, it probably would save you, a couple of minutes of typing, but go back to your handbook and double check that it's precise. Let me know if you have any questions.